One of the reasons we started Manufacturing Happy Hour was to really bring out the social aspect of the manufacturing industry. The overall mission is to distill and simplify some of these large topics, challenges, opportunities that we're all facing, and talk to the best people in our industry. How would you describe digital transformation to someone if you're sitting next to them at a bar like the one we're at today?
My general view of digital transformation is how are you using emerging technologies, connected technologies, smart technologies to really reinvent your business? How are you making money, or how are you helping your customers make money or save money?
So it comes down to sitting around the table and having a conversation and understanding what the problems are and how we can solve it as people and working together.
So you've got young engineers coming out of college that know exactly what they want and how fast they can get it, and they know what's out there. And then you have a gap, like a skills gap, where you've got this bimodal population of 20 to 30 year olds and then 50 to 60 year olds that are on their way to retirement, and they don't want anything to change.
With IoT and the promise of IoT, there's almost an unlimited amount of possibility.
It boggles my mind when we don't have the capability to connect you to a device that can tell you how to make you more money.
Stay innovative, stay thirsty, and thanks for being part of the first ever live Manufacturing Happy Hour podcast. Cheers to all of you.